Hey there, I'm Daryl from the Jackson Fishing Team, and I'm trying to get some stuff fixed up. Been shad fishing, and I like using sinking lines or sink tips, but I had experienced, I don't know if you can see that, but I got a hinge point here. This is kind of the PVC material or whatever it is broke, and all I've got left in there is the core. So I'm going to end up having to cut that off and have to fix that. So now I can either tie a leader straight to that, or I like to use the loop so I don't not always cutting away material on there. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to tie a loop on there. I'm going to use some Maxima, some 40-pound ultra green, and I just need to get a little bit off of here. And I'm going to use a nail knot tool to put that on. I'm going to kind of stretch this out a little bit. On there. And I'm going to put on enough. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give it 6 wraps on the tool. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm going to take this dog ear here and I'm going to put it through that, so it kind of looks like that. Then I'm going to take the tag in here of this line, and I'm going to put it through so it kind of looks like that there. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm going to try to make that knot look pretty. And this here, by doing this, I kind of like lengthen out the lifespan of my I'll tighten that down. And hopefully that'll hold and the fish won't slip it off. Again, trying to make that look pretty. And there we have that. That's called a nail knot. And I just need to trim off the excess here. On that thing. Looking good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a perception loop, and basically that's just so I can do a loop-to-loop connection. And I'm going to put one loop where it kind of goes behind. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you can find this knot online. And then one in the front. And then I'm going to take this tag end and put it through the sandwich type thing. Those are 2 loaves of bread. And then create that loop, wet that down, use my nail knot tool to tighten that down. Don't forget to wet it. And then I'll trim off that excess. And there we have it. A new loop on the end there. And or if you wanted to, you could tie your whole leader, attach it there, and it'll work the same thing. But then you just won't have that loop to loop. You'll end up clipping away, but maybe eventually you'd have to buy some new fly line. But anyway, that's how you can repair your fly line if you got a loop that's coming off or it's breaking. You got that extra hinge point. Either attach your leader or maybe just put another smaller loop so you can do a loop-to-loop connection and change out the whole leader. All right. Hopefully you found that little tip interesting and you will give it a try. All right. We'll see you on the water.